Osio gochego ke pacheti county ya Nyamira ase bunge ye county yo wasamarago yo mwaka w'ekibesa bw'ekirura 25 no 25 ebere ey'ekishiringi ekibirioni kanda kinuguta 53 nikobona abamenyi be county ya Nyamira besokire nakuru birengereri byabo ase baganire abemsi be county yo gochikolingo libiye pacheti yo wikirano na gokora monchiria bananchi bakorawa nere Douglas Rutongeo igo batebire buna ase pacheti yo igo basabire abemsi go chiakorusi kibese cyo babegete ase board yabali bale no barema eyigwe karaboniga etanya go chaka kwenana obokoreri ase bono baganire kibese cyo go chiakobekwa se wizara yobochenu
Again, the Canada a budget here. So the program-based budget for the financial year 2026-2027. In the Torang, Akibuna, Nanching, Akinput, Chito to benefit to as a budget here. A budget here, Nigabate, Evaki billion 9.8. Again, Tokia to Kunire overseaway as a revenue, you are allocated once 165 million. So Kulingana na PFM Act. Etwararenga kulingana nemeshahara gochiwakanwa eyuere 3.8 million account government of Nyamira tebwate ti ekigewene tegokorekana the 35% threshold of the wages and the personnel emoluments ase itokorange budget ibabwene teba increase the revenue so that nalitora chikokora chi development ase county ti ite Nyamira
njasa marieta ngoro kutose bosuto korwase ngoro present korwase kerenyo ward njege ntonda sabe asa abaizimi babaito ka bagochigwete ase budget ye bagochigokora ngotema bateme korigere limona ase elite tibesa njiro bakobeka gochisi department ekinde ekibakobeka orore chitabwenereti lakini elite nkoro ebekire chibesa chinge gunese chia mariogo ingo basaba bamente chibesa ekyo abantu bagenda nyagetari banyora mariogo baruariwa
abese sinchire program jire una immunization matano health care tirabe kurukibesa ase program ya health and my the health is wealth to aligere to arona a board nere bago there disability ya bere bago dana ngo exist ebegere kibesa lakini gato koligere for the last 2 financial year board they will exist but agini banye beke the budget kibese jidogo sabajirusi wororo because ndobo a board ya disability kibe go to the health service as a disability board banye beke the 5 million. Number 2 ndobo ya the tuarode bago dane septic tanks njibwenda kwagajwa in MCA services yiko 70 million. 70 million septic tank egero kubagira igana bokorone kere wode oja kwagu kere office ye wode oja kwagu 3.5 million septic tank kie kwagaju na 3.5 million kibese 70 million tigajira ne back to support other department because that is misallocation intoroche kwerende babige tikibese na county branding unapata ite ku brand account yeito yes the kale sana you know ekero devolution yes up to now this is over actually 15 years talk again ingidogo brand account tibeze jidwa begete 30 million tigachie ndase disabled people
shungu kwanda mono is under women ekero tukuri account budget ito ya Nyamira women wamesaulika asengenchi yake abaswati arimo afana lepo teigwa road under GPP and development Batakire allocation ya batakoriri buya because they are being allocated na 500,000 yueta isaini women went ko bagokora safe field. I request the county government that the budget ba consider women na barusa mkashi ekibekire tukiangalia kama account branding 300 million is a lot of money. Echibe consider the budget ya women